As the U.S. struggles to contain the coronavirus, there are growing concerns about a possible new spike in Europe. Many of those cases are tied to reopenings. Elizabeth Palmer reports from London, where new travel restrictions are in place there.
As soon as travel restrictions eased in mid-June, Europeans flocked to sunny Spain. A month on, the number of COVID cases there has quadrupled. That's the biggest uptick, but there are spikes in France, Germany, and Belgium, too.
I'm afraid you are starting to see, in some places, the signs of a second wave of the pandemic. And we all remember what happened last time.
The UK government abruptly announced a 2-week quarantine for Britons returning from Spain.
There doesn't seem to be a consistent strategy. I don't think anybody knows what they're doing.
In Germany, public health officials have set up free COVID testing stations at airports. Strict lockdowns this spring left some of the most famous tourist sites in the world eerily deserted. But life has begun to trickle back. Another lockdown brought on by a second wave of COVID would be devastating and unnecessary, says Professor David Heyman.
You wouldn't be recommending a complete shutdown of travel in Europe.
No, I wouldn't be. I think we need, Liz, to begin to understand how to travel safely, and we need to begin to get back to normal.
But normal doesn't mean going on vacation to forget the pandemic. To flatten Europe's worrying COVID spikes, tourists can expect enforced social distancing, local curfews, lots of testing, and everywhere masks, even at the beach. For CBS This Morning, I'm Elizabeth Palmer in London.